Episode 4, Comparative Study, Gnosticism and Other Mystical Traditions. Bridging Mystical Traditions, Gnosticism in Context. In this episode, we delve into the rich tapestry of mystical traditions, placing Gnosticism alongside other significant streams of mystical thought such as Kabbalah, Sufism, and Hermeticism. This comparative study illuminates the shared themes and divergent paths within these traditions, offering insights into the universal quest for divine knowledge and the myriad ways humanity has sought to understand the sacred. Gnosticism and Kabbalah, esoteric wisdom and divine emanations. Kabbalah, a form of Jewish mysticism, shares with Gnosticism a deep engagement with esoteric wisdom and the nature of divine emanations. Both traditions employ complex cosmological structures to explain the unfolding of the divine into the material realm. The Kabbalistic tree of life, with its 10 sephirot, emanations, can be seen as a parallel to the Gnostic concept of the pleroma and its eons, each representing aspects of the divine fullness. The emphasis on direct personal experience of the divine in Kabbalah through the study of sacred texts and meditative practices echoes the Gnostic pursuit of gnosis. However, where Gnosticism often views the material world as a flawed creation of a lesser deity, Kabbalah tends to see creation as fundamentally good, though broken, offering a path of return, tikkun, to the divine through human action. Sufism and Gnosticism, the path of love and knowledge. Sufism, the mystical dimension of Islam, shares with Gnosticism a focus on the heart's inner transformation and the soul's journey back to the divine. Both traditions hold a special place for the figure of the guide or master, who aids the disciple in navigating the path of spiritual ascent. The concept of fana, annihilation in the divine, in Sufism parallels the Gnostic experience of mystical union, where the individual ego dissolves into the boundlessness of the divine presence. The Sufi emphasis on love as the driving force of the spiritual journey resonates with certain Gnostic texts that highlight the redeeming power of divine love. However, Sufism's integration within the broader Islamic framework contrasts with the often radical stance of Gnosticism against mainstream religious institutions. Hermeticism and Gnosticism, magic, alchemy, and the quest for gnosis. Hermeticism, with its roots in Greco-Egyptian wisdom traditions, shares with Gnosticism an interest in alchemy, astrology, and theurgy as means of spiritual insight and transformation. Both traditions are concerned with the reconciliation of opposites, e.g., spirit and matter, divine and human, and the restoration of primal unity. The Hermetic principle, as above, so below, reflects a worldview akin to Gnostic dualism, where understanding the correspondences between the higher spiritual realms and the material world is key to spiritual awakening. Yet Hermeticism's more optimistic view of creation and its potential for redemption through alchemical transmutation offers a contrast to the more pessimistic Gnostic narrative of entrapment and escape. Synthesizing mystical insights, a tapestry of divine quest. This comparative study reveals a tapestry of mystical traditions, each with its unique expressions and emphases, yet all sharing a common quest for divine union and understanding. Gnosticism, with its distinct cosmology and soteriology, contributes a vital thread to this tapestry, challenging and enriching our understanding of the spiritual journey. The exploration of Gnosticism alongside Kabbalah, Sufism, and Hermeticism not only highlights the diversity of mystical thought, but also points to a shared undercurrent of longing for the divine that transcends cultural and religious boundaries. This episode invites us to reflect on the universal human quest for meaning and connection with the sacred, encouraging a deeper appreciation of the myriad paths that lead to the heart of the divine mystery.